Milk is like a superfood for your body, giving you all the good stuff you need no matter how old you are. But here's the thing, lots of folks are drinking milk the wrong way. It is said that milk provides unique nutrition, which cannot be derived from any other food on this planet. Instead of getting the most out of this superfood, they end up with tummy troubles, itchy skin, feeling too full, gaining weight, and messing up their stomachs. So let's enjoy our milk the right way to make our bodies happy and healthy. Hey there! In this video, I've got 5 reasons why you might be sipping on milk the wrong way. But don't worry, I've also got the solutions to make sure you're getting the most out of this awesome drink. Even if you usually struggle with milk because of lactose intolerance or digestion issues, I've got a surprise for you. There's a way to fix that too. So stay tuned for some tips to make your milk drinking experience even better. Hey friends, welcome to DN Fit. Today we're diving into the world of milk and how it can affect your health and fitness. Milk comes from living animals, so it's packed with hormones, enzymes, and amino acids. These things can mess with our bodies if we're not careful about when and how we drink milk. Stick around till the end of this video because you might just rethink how you've been having your milk. Before we proceed, this video aims to educate, not substitute professional medical advice. Big thanks to our awesome supporters. If you haven't subscribed, just click in 2 seconds. It's free and encourages us to make more helpful videos. Let's uncover some common mistakes we make while sipping on milk that could be holding us back from our fitness goals and putting our health at risk. So let's get started! Mistake number 1, having milk with meals. You know, milk is like a whole meal by itself, but a lot of times we gulp it down right after eating. Turns out, doing that is like having 2 meals at once. It puts a lot of stress on our digestion. Instead of just soaking up the good stuff from the milk, our bodies also try to handle the food we just ate. The fix? Give it some space! Wait at least 2 hours between your meal and your milk. This also answers the big question. Can you have milk after fish or chicken? Yes, you can, but give it a good 2-hour break before sipping that milk. Mistake number 2, pairing milk with salty foods. Do you love having parathas with milk or snacking on namkeen with chai? Or maybe you even throw some milk into your curries while cooking. Well, turns out this combo might be silently causing trouble inside you. According to Ayurveda, milk and salt just don't get along. Mixing them can lead to some funky reactions in your body, and your skin might bear the brunt of it. No matter how much you pamper your skin, making this one mistake can mess it all up. So here's the fix. Keep at least a 1-hour gap between a salty meal and your milk sips. Your skin will thank you! Mistake number 3, chugging down cold milk. Yeah, we all love a good milkshake or cold coffee, especially in the summer. But guess what? Your body might not be a fan of the chilly milk treat. Here's the deal. Milk is already pretty heavy, and having it cold makes it even tougher for your body to handle. It can bring on problems like gas, bloating, and constipation. The solution? Opt for warm milk or at least milk at room temperature. Heating it up changes the molecular game, making it way easier for your body to digest. So next time, go for the warm hug instead of the cold shock. Mistake number 4, sweetening milk with sugar. Wait a minute, doesn't milk already have its own natural sweetness from lactose? Yup. Adding extra table sugar, the one we use at home, can cause some trouble. The deal is, the chemically processed sugar we sprinkle in can mess with how our bodies absorb the good stuff from milk. It even makes the milk a bit hard to digest. And to top it off, it piles on extra calories, possibly leading to weight gain. So if you're craving some sweetness, skip the regular sugar. Try honey, mishri, or jaggery powder instead. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. The top reason you might be doing the milk thing wrong is by teaming it up with fruits. Yeah, it's a bit surprising, but milk doesn't play nice with most fruits, especially the sour ones like oranges and lemons. Mixing them with milk is a big no-no. The only exception is Indian gooseberry or amla. For all you sweet lovers out there, here's the deal. Dates, bananas, and ripe mangoes can roll with milk, but it's a heavy combo for your system. So if you're blending fruits and milk, better pick your partners wisely. Absolutely. Pay attention to how your body reacts after sipping on that milk and munching on a banana. Your body's the best guide. So there you have it. The top 5 reasons why a lot of folks might be doing the milk routine a bit off. Cheers to better milk drinking habits. Let's talk about the how, when, and what of getting the most out of your milk. How to drink it. Well, warm is the way to go. Take it slow, sip by sip, especially while sitting. But if you're dealing with constipation, it's okay to chug it down standing. Now, when's the best time? Anytime works, but if you want the best time, go for after sunset. That's when our body kicks in with the enzymes needed to digest milk like a champ. And get this. About 80% of milk protein is casein, which loves to be digested at night. Plus, milk brings a sleepy amino acid called tryptophan to the party, making it a bedtime buddy. Sweet dreams. Choosing between cow milk and buffalo milk? This is an interesting question. If you're on the skinny side and aiming to bulk up, buffalo milk might be your go-to. It's got the extra calories to help you pack on some weight. Now for the rest of us, cow milk takes the crown. It's the champ for brain power, skin glow, luscious locks, and all-around body functions. So, unless you're on a weight gain mission, stick with the cow for your daily dairy delight. If you can get your hands on Desi cow milk, also known as A2 milk, that's a fantastic choice. When it comes to packaged milk, lean towards toned milk. Now, what if lactose isn't your friend? According to Ayurveda, our bodies are built to handle milk. It's the first food we take in as humans. So, if your body is giving milk the cold shoulder, it could be due to issues like poor milk quality, incorrect usage, or a complete milk boycott. Time to figure out the root cause! Here's a trick to make milk more friendly to your system. Take cow milk, heat it up, add a pinch of dry ginger, and bring it to a boil. After boiling, simmer it for 5 more minutes on low heat. Turn off the flame, let it cool a bit, and start with sipping just 1/8 cup. Slowly increase the amount to a full cup over 10-15 days, depending on how your body reacts. This method has been tested and proven to help your body get used to milk again. Remember, milk is a solo act when it comes to enjoying it best. However, you can team it up with things like rice, oats, almonds, and more for a tasty combo. Cheers to happy sipping! Packed with goodies like protein, vitamin A, B1, B2, B12, D, potassium, and magnesium, milk is like a nutrition powerhouse. The key is sipping it smart. That's a wrap for this video, folks. Hope you got some helpful tips. Happy and healthy milk drinking to all.